hailing from a family where his mother is a housemaid and father a security guard. 13-year-old Mukesh never thought of spinning the football under professional guidance until one day his favorite sport came at his foreground.
विकासपुरी पुलिस लाइन में दिल्ली पुलिस और फुटबॉल लीग ने मिलकर एक प्रोग्राम चलाया, युवा प्रोग्राम। उसके अंदर हमें फुटबॉल्स और बाकी गेम्स भी सिखाए जाते हैं। वहाँ पे मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे कोच मिले। जब यहाँ पे आए तो मुझे अच्छी सीख मिली और मैं वहाँ अपने टाइम का अच्छे से यूज़ करने लगा और मैं काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन हो गया। मैं वेल मेंटेन हो गया, स्कूल प्रॉपरली जाता था, मेरी 100% अटेंडेंस आने लगी, स्कूल में ग्रेड्स अच्छे आने लगे।
Making dreams come true for children like Mukesh is Chetan Mishra's Football Link, a platform that works for the social, moral and ethical development of underprivileged children through the medium of football.
A lot of children in our society are not getting the right resources, right guidance. So Football Link, the whole aim was can we use football to link everyone in society and give a platform to children to excel. And especially the underprivileged children, which is what CYDP or Child and Youth Development Program is, working with the police on that, so that we can use the law of enforcement agencies and we can basically create an atmosphere for the children through a sport where they not only have fun, lead a healthy lifestyle, but more so learn various ethical, moral, social values, which I feel is slightly being lost in this whole transition that we're making as a country.
The unique aspect of Chetan's project is the involvement of the Delhi police in mentoring the kids away from drugs, abuse, crime and exploitation.
When I came back to India after 10 years, I saw there was a lot of chaos about it, there's a lot of crime, there's a lot of things that are happening and the people are not happy about, and you automatically look up to the law enforcement or the police, what are they doing. So then that's what kind of piqued my curiosity, like what's really happening. And what I realized is the police, the effectiveness of the police, it all depends on how much trust there is there between the society and the police. So partly this whole program is if we can make the children comfortable with police mentors in police grounds, so then that fear factor, whatever is present, that can be overcome.
Constable Dinesh Kumar from Vikaspuri has been coaching these underprivileged kids for the past 1 year. He has not only noticed the changes in their behavior, but also improvement in their social development.
काफ़ी बदलाव आया उनके बोलने चालने में। जैसे वो पहले आते थे पार्कों में खेलते थे, अब उनका कुछ टाइमिंग फिक्स हुआ है, जैसे सुबह खेलते हैं, शाम को खेलते हैं, दिन में स्कूल जाते हैं। पहले वो स्कूल नहीं जाते थे, पार्कों में बैठे रहते थे। अब उनको हमारे साथ मिलकर वो स्कूल जाने लगे हैं और अब मतलब घर की भी काफ़ी वो करते हैं।
More than 400 underprivileged children and youth participate in the regular coaching and game sessions across 3 centers of the police battalion ground in New Delhi.
Various activities that we do. One is coaching, for example, so in improving skills. One is certain mentorship programs. So basically after game sessions, then they sit, then they talk, then they express certain things which they want to express to the coaches, to the police, and kind of build that connect. We're going to be starting presentations in schools, talking about the whole aspect, how the police can help a child, protect a child, and at the same time why sports is very, very important to augment education.
Providing a fun, healthy and progressive environment for children through football is an inspiration Chetan is putting forth. Surely a spark of motivation.
It's an effort. It's an effort to link people, to get everyone together. So whoever can contribute whatever in whatever format, whether it's time, whether it's money, whether it's certain resources in kind, just getting them together. And I feel that it's a very important thing for society, and it's nice to be doing that.